Hey there, welcome to Gander Flight. I'm Joshua, and today I want to do a quick product install of the MaxxHaul spare tire carrier for small trailers. This is going to be a fairly straightforward install. You're going to have the brackets, adjustable brackets that go on one side of the trailer frame, and the angle bracket that's going to hold the tire on the other side. The spare tire carrier can hold 100-pound capacity, and it's got a universal design that fits 4-lug and 5-lug trailer tires. You can mount it on trailer tongues up to 3 inches wide and then 5 inches high. So you're just going to undo all the nuts, bolts, and washers. You're going to hold the mounting plate up to the tongue, making sure you're far enough spaced away that the tire is not going to run into the trailer. You're going to stick the bolt through the single bracket, and then a bolt to the bottom bracket around your tongue, having the excess of the bolt stick in towards the tire so it's not sticking out and grab you as you're moving around. You've got the bracket here that's going to protect you from that excess bolt, and then that way you don't have to cut it off either. You're going to put the flat washer, then the lock washer, then the nut, and make sure that you don't tighten one down all the way before you've got the other one down, so that you make sure you tighten them evenly and keep the bars straight. So what you don't want is the back bracket to be angled at all, either too tight at the top or too tight at the bottom. You want it to be as parallel as possible. And then you're just going to go around with a ratchet and tighten those down. Once that's done, you're going to take the other bolts and you're going to stick them through the mounting bracket, put the tire on, and again put your flat washer, your lock washer, and then they give you lug nuts, which I don't understand why. I guess you could use them in a pinch if the lug nuts on the trailer broke off or you lost them somehow. But because you're using the flat washer and the lock washer, go ahead and put the flat side on. Whereas when you actually have the lug nuts on the trailer, you want the cone side, the tapered side, towards the tire. So you're basically putting the lug nuts on backwards because you're using the washers. When you put a tire on the trailer itself, you're not going to be using those washers, and so you'd want the tapered side in towards the tire so it can center itself. So it's a pretty straightforward product, something that I think all trailers should come with when you buy them, but unfortunately they don't, especially these small ones. So if you're looking for a spare tire carrier for a small trailer, this one is pretty inexpensive. Put a link in the description box below if you'd like to see the one that I'm using. Straightforward design, straightforward install, works as designed, works as advertised, and it should be a good addition to small trailers. Until next time, I'm Joshua. You've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward.